Dear students, in this session we shall discuss about land pollution. Land or soil is polluted by indiscriminate discharge of waste. Waste generated from domestic, commercial, municipal, and industrial. Liquid waste is partly absorbed by soil, partly seeps into underground water, and the rest joins water bodies in the locality. It is solid waste which, when dumped into land, accumulates on it and causes pollution. Solid waste disposal. The methods of waste disposal depend on the nature of waste. Most solid wastes are dumped on land as soil heaps or as landfill to quarries or mine shafts or as dumps consisting of a wide range of materials. Besides these, some wastes are dumped into the seas. The various modes of waste disposal is shown. Look at the screen. The various modes of waste is shown. Sources are mentioned and the system adapted for the disposal and the disposal site is shown. Sources are agricultural source, domestic and commercial waste, commercial, industrial waste, and nuclear waste. The whatever the agricultural waste is generated, that will be naturally, most of the time naturally maintained, and with the system of the sources agricultural waste, that will be runoff water carries the agricultural waste, and this will be settled at the low lying area. That is the disposal site of the for the agricultural waste. Most of the time this will be disposed on land. And next source is domestic waste and commercial waste. Sometimes this will be uh, dumped in garbages on land, sometime or water body. It will be disposed. The system is adapted for domestic waste and commercial waste is the collection of waste. After collection, this waste will be uh, transported. After transportation, in one place it will be the dumped, and this waste will be taken for the treatment, feeded into the treatment plant. After treatment, the material will be disposed on land or sea, or both land and sea. And the third source is industrial waste. Industrial waste eh, will be recycled and recovered. With this system, the industrial waste quantity of the industrial waste can be reduced. Then this will be sent to the treatment plant, and after treatment the output material will be sent for disposal site on land. And the fourth source is nuclear. This nuclear waste stored in underground, because the nuclear waste will not be uh, decomposed easily. It will be remain for centuries. That's why this will be buried under the ground, sometime under the land and sometime in the ocean, sea. So this is how the waste will be uh, managed and disposed in different manner. And next is detoxification of toxic waste. The toxic wastes are converted into less hazardous products by treatment with acids. Cyanide containing wastes are composed by interaction with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and nitrogen. The decomposition can also be carried out biologically by means of suitable microorganisms. Sludge from petroleum refineries may be spread on the soil and left to decay into harmless products. Incineration of toxic wastes is another method for their disposal. However, incinerators need pollution control devices and careful monitoring to make sure that they do not release toxic byproducts into the environment. Land and ocean disposal. Radioactive wastes from nuclear power stations are generally fused in glass containers and lowered to the ocean floor. In USA, such wastes are sealed in metal drums and buried underground at great depths. But they may leak or be damaged by earthquake and release the waste into groundwater. Thank you.